be flattened and optimize these parts to a relaxed state. Now, in essence, what we have done is we've took the SOLIDWORKS NURBS model and we've converted it into a mesh type file. And within this mesh type file, we're going to be able to utilize this geometry to do pretty much an FEA analysis of the geometry used as it contrasts against the mechanical property and the material you assigned those pieces to get you to the optimal pattern. Now down here below, we have the various different materials already listed, and we'll spread the rest of these out so you can see everything happening going on. And this is a preliminary result, and we have many different algorithms that we can utilize. Now some of the algorithms we've actually already assigned to the materials in the background, such as like an isotropic or an orthotropic. Now, there's different technical reasons for that, but we'll go ahead and move on to one of the pre-algorithms. So we're going to use PELT this time. Now, well, that didn't take long at all. I was hoping to take a little bit longer. I was going to tell you about the rest of them. Tell you what, let's go ahead and optimize these and we'll talk about them. Optimization is going to utilize, let's talk about this. Optimization is going to utilize the material properties based off the geometry, the mass of what's there, and it's going to neutralize it the best it can, reducing all the stress or taking away the sag as efficiently as it possibly can. And so while these components are finishing up, we have the other algorithms here. We have the round, we have the wrinkle, the de-wrinkle, and we have the fracture. All these are what we call pre-algorithms or working algorithms that do the initial work to get to a flattened point, and then we hit the little coil spring to optimize the flat, and that's what gives us our results. Now these colors that you're seeing here on the screen, well, that's the temperament that we use so you can visually see where potential hazards may be occurring. Now the darkened areas on my particular template is showing negative energy, or as we Southern boys say, sag. Now it's getting a little droopy about it. Whereas the higher color, we got a little bit of some light blue going on here, is showing areas of positive energy, or in this case, potential stress. Now, knowing where my settings are, and I've got a little shortcut here to it, my strain analysis highlight, knowing my colors already, I know this is only about 5%. And based off the product I'm making, I'm okay with that. So any questions up to this point? We'll give you a moment to get those typed in. Like I said, I'm not going to try to, I'm not pushed up against the clock, but at the same time I'll be proficient with your time. We've